my viewers, yeah, my subscribers, big up on yourself, and you don't know what's a new link there, my people. And right now, I'm there in the town, not easy people, just relax, see there. Right now, the town, new link there, see the people? Right downtown. You understand that the beautiful Turks and Caicos are relax. And my viewers and my subscribers, I know say a story has hit new link because January, a man is now crying out, people is begging out, screaming out, bawling out, because the man has said, yo, January, a trip to foreign for 17 years he's been traveling on F0RE program, people, and now January sufferation a bite him skin. The man say Christmas now, people, but he can't see no Christmas because the way he must suffer right now, people. January star. So make new link go down in this thing now, people. Yeah, a man, right? He is 57 years old and he is from Jamaica, right? It goes by the name Linden Scott, people. And this man said right now he's suffering because he got injured while on F0RE program in Canada, and he's doing this program for 17 years, and this happened in 2012, and from 2012 him not travel because him say people him did carry one box with tobacco, right, and him fell, and the box of tobacco drop on him finger. Him say at the time him know so the finger did broke still, so him got the doctor and then put one look spring something on it, like, you understand, to keep the finger. So him say when him come to Jamaica now, the people of Jamaica remove the sprint 8 days before the doctor them at Canada tell them so them to move it. So him say one day him did know people and him just feel him finger bend up on him, and John know him say from that day that the finger bend up, people, him life is hell because him never can hold a fork to eat. Him never can use a machete, people. Remember, you know, people, the finger thing is a dangerous thing. All of who a new link subscribers who did it from long time. Remember, I'm showing you some finger mash up, people, and now my finger still not fixed it, but you don't know, say not really affect me like that. So you see, let me get a story at new link, me go check up on my finger more. So now, people, the man a cry out because him say the money for the 17 years when him do Canada program, people, they give him like 4,000 plus US dollar. You understand? Because they don't send the money come give him. So when him calculate that, him get about 250,000 Jamaican. And the man say him received this earlier in the year. And him say right now, people, that cover most of him doctor bill them and everything. You get me? Because him have to travel with him finger, look about him finger and things. So right now, him not have no money. Him man say him can't take care of him family. Him cannot do nothing. And him have beg help. Him need help. Because him say him need assistance. And him cannot believe himself for the 17 years when him do F0RE. That's how them treat him. Because say boss them deal with them cruel because him can't read and him can't write. But when I say people now, this is, I'm doing this vlog adds towards the story where the man published to the Star, because the stories that come from the Star, right? And what me I say now, as my viewers and my subscribers, when I look deep into this thing right now, see, he can't read and him can't write as to what him said. So how him reach a foreign F0RE program? I now have to follow up paper and hold it for something. My think say now, them need to fix them thing there now. If a man can't read and write, you know, me have be honest people, him not fit take that trip they go up on that plane there because him would in other position because him would get tricked in a certain way. Because 17 years of work on a F0RE program, him deserve whole heap time more compensation than that. And plus thing, him injured on the job, people. Come on, man. See? And when I look into it, people, it is like him ask the government of Jamaica for help. But yeah, the government can help him still, is it? But the people in Canada need to help him. The company when he used to work with Canada, they need to do something for this man. And the next thing again too, me I say, so the 17 years where he was traveling and thing too. You get me? Him never like put some money in the kitty for that or save some money or them thing there. Because if he did do that, honestly, things are better for him, you know. But him never do that. You get me? I say, him never do that. So in a bad situation. So as a point now, this is a learning lesson for a lot of people right now, you know. A lot of young people. You see, when they get a chance to go up on them program there, you know, please save on the money. Because enough people depend on return tax and all of them things there. But sometimes the return tax might not be the one expecting. It can be something where we mess up, you know. You get me? I say, and I want to expect. So right now, people, the man thing shake up, the man thing, you get me? I say him thing not good, him story not normal, and it's really sad. You get me? I say, and January, I never seen no weird them say you could assist and help him as me that put you right now. So as soon as me get any more information onto that part there, we can assist him. You know, say him name Linden Scott and everything. You understand? Where people can, if they're willing to help him, because people, January, him say finger be a pain. Him can't use him and a real thing. Once you say one your big finger is mash up people, it really affect you. You see? Because when my big finger, see it here, right now me come so, I feel a look up pain night. But so when I did get the really serious injured people, I couldn't really do this, honestly. And I be a pain. I couldn't even lift no objects or nothing with it. So I understand him story. But as a new link, I tell my viewers and my subscribers, please, do not waste time a foreign. Whether on there permanently or whether on go up on the work program them. Remember the same way. Whether you're there in the Caribbean, any part, whether you're there Dominica, whether you're there Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas, Barbados, any one of them, just remember that. Zane, over America, there's over Canada, over England, this are near yard, you know, or France. There is not a yard. You know where your yard is? Where you're originally from. So, in idea, you know, try to save some money in a kitty for back there. So, remember that, you know, see some because, yo, you know pretty, Jano, you know pretty, cause honestly people, me don't want to be one of them victims that hold their foreign for long, and when me come down now, me I go talk the same thing to you, understand? No sir, me don't want to do that. So my viewers and my subscribers, or when you link I say, you know, please, you understand? Do the right thing. When you know what the right thing mean? The right thing means say, save money and no waste time of foreign. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know this a new link and we are say, yo, big up. You know, 7 a straight attack. I don't know it's coming on to the holiday season. As soon Christmas, as soon New Year. So everybody just going to take care of your family. Bless up the family them New Year. All of my subscribers, them much love, much respect for the time when they did it with New Link. Thanks to the thousands of people who subscribe to New Link. So much thousands. I really appreciate it. The views and everything. You get me? I say, and the whole of people in France, big up, you know, the whole of England, big up Canada, the whole of United States, now Brooklyn, Florida, Miami, New Jersey, all over America, big up, man. You get me? I say, the whole of Australia, same way, the whole Caribbean country, them from Barbados to Belize, all of them, Montserrat, you get me? Dominica Republic, Haiti, Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, you get me? Bahamas, Martinique, St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Belize, you get me? Guyana, everywhere in the Caribbean, man. New Link has to big up on yourself. It's the whole of Europe, the whole of Canada, everywhere. And if you know you yourself big up, man, don't know, say, you know, big up there, close by. So, no respect people, I will say, attack, blessing people. I'm out. Goodbye, bye.